John McKeag here with Liberty Aid Academy. You want to get the deal on the McKeag Mastery Trust Bundle. Open up the trust and then learn how to use it. All the other courses teach you how to use it. Now, did you know anyone can get out of legally paying taxes? That's right. Legally not pay any taxes forever. Everyone in the United States, you could do it. You open up a trust, the trust that we have, and then you never have to file taxes. You never have to pay taxes. This is the code section in the United States Code, which is Chapter 26 is the IRS code. It's called, and this squiggly line is Section 508, special rules with respect to 501c3 organizations. I bet you didn't know there were special rules. 501c3, right? That's how you get exempt from taxation. New organizations must notify the Secretary that they are applying for recognition of Section 501c3 status, except as provided in subsection C. Okay, well, we don't want to have to do that, right? We don't have to apply to get 501c3 status. We just want to get it. And here's where it is. C. Remember we said right down here. You just looked at it as C. Okay? Right here, subsection C, except as provided in subsection C. Okay, so we're going to go down to C. That's where C is. C, lowercase c. Exceptions. Mandatory exceptions. Fantastic. Let's get a mandatory one. That means you don't have to apply, right? You don't need to apply. Churches, okay. Well, they're integrated auxiliaries, churches. Okay, heard of that one. Churches. Conventions, that's not a church. Or association of churches. Church, not church, church. Okay. So this trust qualifies because what's a convention? A convention is agreement between parties. An agreement between parties. And in a trust, there's a trustor or grantor. They're the same. They're synonyms. The trustee and the beneficiary. Okay, so there are three parties. You don't have to name beneficiaries, so you're the trustor and trustee. And that's the two parties. And so that, by getting the trust and opening up this specific trust, then you're tax-free and reporting free for the rest of your life. Can you imagine getting out of IRS taxes for the rest of your life? Yeah. Lots of people have. Everyone that's taken the course has done that. Isn't it time for you? We got a decade of proof and dozens of testimonials from my student. Come on, what are you waiting for?